Today it's all about unknown treasures. Welcome to My Success Nature, where we are exploring the leadership and success principles inspired by nature. Discover the power of the 3-minute exercise at the end of this video. When I pick up these berries from the tree just above me, and I offer it to somebody, I often get these weird looks. Do you want to poison me? Or people are asking, what is this? I see these trees everywhere. On the roadside, in the parking lot, these trees are growing very fast, they're giving shade, and they are often having a lot of these berries, which even local people often don't know about. This berry or cherry is called the Singapore berry, and the tree originates from Central America, and it's a very common tree throughout India and throughout Southeast Asia. I'm often wondering, people passing by these trees, missing out on these delicious treats. I'm sure at work we are also getting to know so many ideas, so many new opportunities. And often when we hear something for the first time, we are having as an automatic reaction the same response like if I'm going to offer you a Singapore cherry. Like this weird look, are you going to poison me? It's an instant reaction when we hear something for the first time. We always come up with a doubt first, and then we start exploring it. So today I want to encourage you to take this 3 minutes, go and locate the closest Singapore cherry tree in your vicinity, have a walk around and see if there are actually berries or cherries on the tree. These are the red ones. So the red ones are the ones, the pink or the red ones are the ones which are ripe. You can pick them, take them home, wash them before you eat them, and enjoy it. And then think, how many opportunities do I run by every day in the office, or colleagues are telling me about some new opportunities, and we just ignore it because we have never heard about it. So think again when you eat the next Singapore cherry. Enjoy, and I see you very soon. Bye bye.